Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CSS variables for theme-ready user interfaces, full guide step-by-step clearly. To activate CSS variables for theme-ready user interfaces, start by defining your variables in a central location. Open your main CSS file or create a new one dedicated to your themes. Use the root pseudoclass to declare your CSS variables. For example, type root, primary color, #3498db, secondary color, #2ecc71. This step ensures your variables are accessible throughout your style sheet. Next, implement your CSS variables in your styles. Instead of hard-coding colors, use the variable syntax, like background color, var, primary color. Repeat this for other properties where you want to use the defined variables. To create a theme switcher, set up different themes using additional variable sets. In your CSS, create more root selectors for additional themes. For instance, define a dark theme like this: root.dark, primary color, #2c3e50, secondary color, #8. Now, you need a mechanism to switch between themes. Use JavaScript to toggle a class on your main container. For example, create a function that adds or removes a dark class based on user interaction. Use document.body.classlist.toggle dark to switch themes. To ensure your application uses the appropriate theme, initialize it based on saved user preferences. Store the user's theme selection in local storage. When the page loads, check local storage for a saved theme and apply it. This can be done with a small script that runs on page load. Finally, test your implementation across different browsers and devices. Make sure that your style changes and theme switching work as intended. With these steps completed, your user interface will be fully equipped with dynamic theme support using CSS variables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.